Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your iPhone keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi for no apparent reason. So the first thing you need to do is reset the network settings. For that, open the settings app. Here, tap on General. In this menu, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, select the reset option at the bottom. Now in this menu, you'll need to select Reset Network Settings. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts and your issue will be solved. If this does not work for some reason, go back to the main settings page. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Here, tap the info icon next to your Wi-Fi network. Now in this menu, you'll need to make sure that the auto join toggle is turned on. If this is off, make sure it is on. This will allow your iPhone to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network automatically in case you go out of range for a few minutes or so. In the same menu, make sure the low data mode is turned off. If it's on, go ahead and turn it off. Now go back to the main settings page. Now tap on mobile service. In this menu, scroll down and make sure the Wi-Fi assist toggle is turned off. So what this feature does is basically allows your iPhone to automatically switch to mobile data when Wi-Fi signal is weak. Since we don't want that, we'll just go ahead and turn it off. Now the last thing you need to do is go back to the main settings page. Here, tap on privacy and security. In this menu, tap on location services. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System Services. Here you'll need to enable this networking and wireless toggle. For some reason, if this is off, your iPhone may experience problems with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So you'll need to make sure this is on. Once you do this, simply go ahead and restart your iPhone and your issue will be solved. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below.